pangalan ulit?
Myla po, sir.
Ha?
Myla po.
Myla! Ayan. Myla din ang name ko. Diyos. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Myla. Alam mo, naloka ako sa'yo. Alam mo kung bakit? Ha? Alam ko din, hindi mo pa alam. Diyos. Pagpunta mo dyan sa stage, nagandahan ako sa dress mo. Akala ko kakanta ka ng patwitams. Tapos biglang, ha? Ganun mo lang kakantahin. So, next time, alam mo yon, yung outfit natin must, medyo in line with sa gagawin natin. No? Okay? So, yun naman yung comment ko. And of course, yung diction mo, bongga naiintindihan ko. At least naiintindihan ko. Ayan yung sinasabi mo. And of course, ikaw may emote ka, may emote factor ka. Kahit alam mo malayo ka, nararamdaman kita. Nararamdaman ko yung aura mo. And of course, bagay na bagay yung kanta sa boses mo.
Tama sila. Pero ang tatanungin ko sa'yo, Myla, kumusta naman nung gabing nakapasok ka sa Grand Finals? Anong sabi ni Mr.? Anong sabi ni Mr.?
Natulala po.
Ipagpatuloy mo pa yan dahil mayroon kang patutunguhan. Tama yung pinili mong piyesa para sa'yo because that really suits your voice. And nabigyan mo naman siya ng justice.
Entry number 5, Mr. Rodel Aison.
Just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm to the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their backs on you, and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall, and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart, for my love will see you through. My love will see you through. When you reach for your star, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every road you take. Don't be afraid to follow your dream.
magaling kang kumanta eh. Pero the way you make your audience feel. And for me personally, parang naramdaman ko yung message ng kanta. Siyempre, aside from sa ganda ng boses nyo, andun talaga yung intention na mamahagi ng mensahe. So nakita yun sa actions nyo, sa intensity ng mata nyo, nagamit nyo lahat, pati even in your space. I think you are able to conquer and to reach out to a lot of people. I mean, kanina pinapansin ko lang, pati yung mga bata pumapalakpak. But this song is actually an oldie but good song.
Hello po, sir.
Ayan. Paulit niyo yung boses ulit.
Hello po, sir.
Ay, bumuon, tagay. Hi, guys. Anyways, ay wag kami mga bata. Alam mo, ang ganda ng pagkaalon ng boses mo. You know?
Salamat po, sir.
Tapos buong buo yung pagkakasabi mo. Ang ganda. Yun lang masasabi ko. Bongga.
Rodel! Yan ang boses? Diba?
Salamat po, sir.
Oh gosh! I love your vibrato. Alam mo kung paano mo siya ilahat sa mga dulo ng mga lyrics ng song. Alam mo, mas bibilib siguro ako kung from tonight, umpisahan mo nang mag-evolve. I-conquer mo yung sarili mo. Mag-memorize ka ng mga new songs. Siguro, since 5 minutes naman yung duration ng binigay na oras sa'yo, pwede mo siguro mong hinaluan siya ng isang Bruno Mars, no? Mas bibilib sana ako doon. Pero so far, halata namang parang yan yung national anthem mo. Pwede na
The
rin sa akin.
operator, please. Like.
God, Marimar. Alam mo ba, nasa dulo ako ng upuan ko. Yung act mo kasi, yung performance mo, talagang may excite ka, matatakot ka, and then may paiba-iba ka pa ng ano eh, na kumbaga surpresa, may element of surprise ka. Akala ko you'll end up with doing that flip-flip na ganyan. Pero pumatok ka pa sa upuan, may apoy ka pang lumabas sa bibig mo. It was really a spectacle watching you. So wow, you must...
Ano ba yung mga nasa katawan mo? Paso ba yan o pintura lang?
Body paint po.
Body. Alam mo, hindi ka ba natakot sa ginagawa mo?
Hindi naman.
Alam mo kasi nakita ko sa'yo, wala yung takot factor at hindi ako natakot para sa'yo dahil alam ko kayang-kaya mo yung ginagawa mo.
Yes. Lahat tayo, love natin si Marimar, right? Salita ba? Oo. Alam mo kasi, ganito yan, ang issue ko lang, etong talent na ginawa mo ay, pag ginawa sa araw ay hindi ko masyadong ma-appreciate. Tama. Kaya nga pinatay pa natin yung ilaw para dumilim at para makita ka. So, panggabi lang talaga siya. Okay. Second issue, kunyari kung ikaw yung Natividad Got Talent today, in-invite ka sa isang function, kunyari i-guest ka, what is this the talent that you're gonna show to the guests?
Iibahan ko pa po.
Ano kaya siya?
Yung para po ang kakaiba.
Kami sa Island of Boracay tonight, we love you, Marimar!
7. Number 7, Marvin Maglino.
I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many feet of this are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this so long, for my so long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what I struggling to be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I've been wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between two lovers and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster if you never reach sight. Too much love will kill you every time. Got all the man I used to be, and it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine, and all I ever do is bring you down. Oh, how it would be if you were standing in my shoes. Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Everywhere I go, I'm about to lose. Oh, whoa, yeah. Too much love will kill you, just as sure as not at all. It's the pain that powers in you, make you bleed and scream and crawl. And the pain will make you crazy. You're the victims of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time.
forward to my experience sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Of course, you remind me again of Jovit. Ayan. Hindi mahirap na, napakahirap na naman ang kantang pinili mo. Pero alam niyo po, Sir Marvin, even after po niyang manalo sa PGE, one thing po talaga na hinasa pa po sa kanya, and he also had to take lessons, is yung sa English diction. Ayun. So, maybe we can improve on it some more. They're just the pieces of the man. I used to be too many
Leaders po.
bitter.
Kasi po yung sa practice ko po sa mga diction namin yung kasi nakalagay sa ano yung
Alright. So, kasalanan. Hindi kasalanan yung Magic Sing yun. Siyempre, we can always look it up sa, and then we can always listen to it also, di ba? Yung original na singer o yung version ni ganito, ganyan. Pwede naman eh. So, yun lang naman. But overall naman, it was a good performance.
Sa kalahati na tayo, kaya gusto ko na magpasalamat ngayon sa Barangay Nagtibidad. Alam mo, Marvin, kanina iniisip ko na si Jovit kumakanta. Pero pagtingin kong ganun, parang si April Boy naman. Gusto ko yung energy mo, very consistent. Okay? Simula umpisa hanggang dulo, I love. Yung harmony and style mo, bongga. Ito nga lang, no, yung modulation ng pagkanta mo, yung boses mo, ilang siguro. At saka, ang galing ng confidence kasi kahit nagkaroon ng technical problem, na-manage mo pa rin yung sarili mo sa stage. Alam mo yon, yung parang hindi ka na panghinaan and everything. Na-memorize mo pa nga at nasabi mo pa nga yung number sa Magic Sing. Di ba? Eh usually kapag kinakabahan ka ng bonggang-bongga, alam mo yon, makakalimutan na mawawala ka na sa, sa pag-iisip mo. Hindi mo ba masasabi?
Happy boy. Yes, Marvin. Oh, wala namang kaduda-duda na mas magaling pa rin si tatay kaysa kay baby boy. Diba? Wala yatang nag-agree. Mas magaling si tatay o si anak? While you're singing, meron kang X Factor. Parang, alam mo yun, OC with match. The macho is there, you see? Tapos, rockista ka pa. Ayan. Dagdagan lang natin kasi sa mga ending, we know naman na the song is na revise ni Jovit Baldovino, no? At naging hit lalo tuloy siya nung ginamit niya yan sa... Kinanta ba niya sa Philippines Got Talent? The final song. At lalong sumikat. So, na-feel ng audience natin na very popular yung song kaya nagustuhan nila.
And take my eyes off you. You feel like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. That endless love has arrived. But I think I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off you. But if you feel what I feel, then let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off you. Take my eyes off you. You've been like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. That endless love has arrived. And I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be can't take my eyes off you.
Kumakanta talagang performance talaga kung performance. It's really hard to sing and dance at the same time. That I can tell. But the experience of watching you is great. But medyo nag-flat ka lang sa medyo latter parts ng kanta. I don't know, siguro napagod ka, but you have to be careful also. Yun yung mahirap kasi pag pinagsasabay yung pagkanta at yung pagsayaw. Kasi syempre gumagalaw ka, yung placement ng boses mo kuminsan din. So yun lang siguro kailangan nating alagaan ng konti and be very careful. But as a performer, you're very beautiful on stage. I think...
JV. Ayan. Bongga, better performance. Very good ang performance. Consistent ang energy. Yun ang pinakamahirap kasi minsan. Kasi I've tried directing shows also, live shows, and performances, mga sing and dance and everything. Ang pinakamahirap is i-sustain yung energy ng talent while dancing and singing at the same time, the total package. Syempre, pagkatapos yan, pag discover ka, market ka. Tasay na nakosombrero dyan sa harap. Ayan, napapaindak mo siya ng bonggang-bongga. And of course, yun nga nasabi na kasamahan ko is yung alagaan natin yung mga nota. Parang pangit pag ako nagsabi.
Alam mo, kasi nandito na po kasi ako nung elimination round nila. So, sabihin ko sa'yo, mas nagustuhan ko yung performance mo last time kaysa ngayon. This time kasi, alam mo, pag kumakanta kang ganyan, never ever look down. There were times na nakatingin kasi sa baba nung nag-hit ka nung high notes. Pero don't do that when you're performing. At saka isa pa, ang narinig ni Ma'am, nag-flat ka, pero ang narinig ko, nag-shot ka naman. Justice yung piyesa mo. Mahirap ang, at the same time, singing and dancing. Pero,
Number 9, Mocktail, Sabi.
Years old, you play the piano very well. Naalala ko sa'yo naman, for a competition like this, you're really gifted. I work together with a pianist also. But for a competition na tulad nito siguro, playing, do you play any other instruments?
Hindi po, organ lang po.
Okay. Do you sing?
Kunti po.
Sakaling ma-invite man tayo ulit, next year. Gusto ko yung panoorin. But overall, your performance, good job. And you can still improve on it.
Nasabi kanina ni Ingrid, you're gifted. Kasi both part of your brain, both sides of your brain is working. So, talagang matalino ka rin siguro sa klase. Hindi mo na ako magkamali. And alam mo, tuloy-tuloy mo pa yan. Ang linis ng pyesa mo. Wala akong masabi. At marami ka pang pwedeng matutunan. Very good na. At bonggang-bonggang talento mo pagpatuloy mo.
Tama yung sabi nila mo pareho. Neil, ang wish ko lang sana say while playing the organ, mas bumilip sana ako ng todo kung habang nag-play ka, hindi ka nakatingin doon sa keyboard. Alam mo, if yun yung ginawa mo, isipin ko, gamay na gamay niya yung kanyang pyesa. Gamay nga yung pyesa mo. At sabi mo kanina, you sing also, dapat sana pinakita mo siya para makabuk din yung mga kalaban natin. So next time kung may season 3 pa, McNeil, isipin mo to, yung advice ko sa'yo, gawin mo yon at may pag-asa tayo.
Joy Tawataw. Entry number 10, Claudine Joy Tawataw.
To the song here in my heart, a melody I've started, but can't make it. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find your name. All the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own. All 'cause you won't listen. I don't know how long, but I'll be moving on if you don't. If you won't listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I've started, can't wait. Whoa, now I don't believe in you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I follow the voice you think you gave to me, but now I gotta find my own. It's been a fight, I can never live without you on my side. We spent so many nights thinking how did wrong. Look at strong, I don't have
Okay. Judge number 1, ma'am.
Oh, wow, Claudine, what a performance. Alam niyo, Natividad, katulad nung nangyari kanina, Diyos ko, you are a firework. I think ngayong gabi, a star is born. And this is what I tell you, Claudine. You better audition sa national competition. Itagawa mo yan sa bato. Wow, you're a complete performer.
Nakaloka ka, girl. Ikaw na. Okay. Hello, ano pangalan naman? Claudine. Alam mo, Claudine, pinaka-importante kasi sa performance is that una pa lang, makakamdaman na kita. Kanina, nung nag-listen ka, ang naramdaman ko sa'yo ka ba? Pero, ang pinaka-importante sa performance ay bumawi. At yun ang ginawa mo, bumawi ka. Palakpakan naman dyan. I love the effort. Alam mo, nung lumapit ka, nung habang nagpo-perform ka, nakikita ko sa mata mo, damang-dama mo yung kanta. At isa pa, lagi kong sinasabi, dapat sa lahat ng performance, may element of surprise. At bonggang-bonggang pinakita mo na sorpresa ako, at siguro pati yung gumawa ng props mo na fountain, na sorpresa sila, bakit popping, hindi fountain ang lumabas. Bongga, bilang isang manager kasi nag-scout ng talent, pinakauna mong isipin yung package, yung inay mo at hindi ka natakot na itry lahat ng genre ng music. Yun ang pinakita mo ngayon.
Oh my God!